Welcome to watch the installation and debugging video of ADAS and DSM functions. Please watch it carefully. The video can help you complete the installation and debugging. Thank you. The first step: ADAS camera installation. The ADAS camera should be installed on the center line of the vehicle as far as possible. If the center line does not meet installation conditions, it can be minute adjustment within a limited range, but must be installed within 15 centimeters of the center line. After the installation position is selected, please wipe the fixed point in the car with adhesive to increase the firmness of the fixation. Please remove lens protective film before fixing ADAS camera. When the camera is fixed, it must be installed horizontally and cannot be tilted left or right. Use a level 4 reference measurement. Press for 1 minute at least after pasting to ensure firmness. After the camera is installed, measure and record the width and the height of the vehicle. The second step: ADAS camera calibration. Please adjust the height of the calibration reference rod. Make sure the top of the reference rod is the same mounting height as the ADAS camera. After the height adjustment is completed, move the calibration rod to the front of the vehicle and the distance is greater than 2 meters. The third step: parameter setting and calibration. Open the Operation and Maintenance app, then click the Set Wi-Fi button. Please connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot. The name is TLAP. After the Wi-Fi connection is successful, click the Login button to enter the setting interface. Click the All button in the lower right corner. Click the ADAS button in the calibration menu. Please fill in the correct parameters according to the menu. Here, please enter the measured vehicle width value. And this value is 1/2 of the vehicle width value. Here, please enter the measured ADAS camera installation height value. The default value is 10. You do not need to change this value. After filling in the parameters, click the Start Calibration button. Enter the ADAS calibration interface. Adjust the angle of the ADAS camera so that the horizontal center of the image coincides with the apex of the calibration rod. After the angle adjustment is completed, click the Calibration button. When the successful message is displayed, it means that the ADAS camera calibration has been completed. The fourth step: DSM camera installation. The DSM camera should be installed directly in front of the driver as far as possible. If the front cannot meet the installation requirements, it can be moved to both sides of the center line of the steering wheel. The moving distance should not exceed the diameter of the steering wheel as shown below. The fifth step: DSM camera calibration. Click the DSM button in the calibration menu to enter the DSM camera calibration interface. Adjust the angle of the DSM camera so that the driver's face is within the recognition frame. After the angle adjustment is completed, click the Calibration button. When the successful message is displayed, it means that the DSM camera calibration has been completed. Thank you for watching. Thank you.